Hi kids! Today we're going to learn about the amazing life cycle of a butterfly. Are you ready to join us on this magical journey?
Yeah! Our journey begins with the egg stage. Butterflies lay their tiny eggs on the leaves of plants. Can you see them? Yeah! These eggs are very small and can be different shapes depending on the type of butterfly. Next, the eggs hatch and out come the caterpillars. This stage is called the larva stage. The caterpillar's main job is to eat and grow. They eat a lot and grow very quickly, shedding their skin several times. Look at how much they can eat. After growing big and strong, the caterpillar finds a safe spot and forms a chrysalis or pupa. This is where the magic happens. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar is transforming into a butterfly. This stage can take a few weeks. Finally, the butterfly is ready to come out. It breaks free from the chrysalis and spreads its beautiful wings. The butterfly's wings are wet and crumpled at first, but they soon dry and the butterfly is ready to fly. As an adult butterfly, it will fly around, sip nectar from flowers and find a mate to lay more eggs. And the cycle begins all over again. Isn't the life cycle of a butterfly amazing? Thanks for joining us on this magical journey. Remember, every butterfly you see has gone through this incredible transformation. See you next time for more fun and learning.